So what is loss here? This is the situation where revenue is less than the cost. So don't forget, normal profit, revenue is equal to cost, TR is equal to TC, otherwise AR is equal to ATC. Loss, revenue is less than the cost. That means AR is less than ATC or TR is less than TC. Abnormal profit, revenue is higher than the cost. So TR is higher than TC, otherwise AR is higher than ATC. All right. Meanings clear. Meanings clear now? Right. Now we are going to draw the diagram. To draw the diagram, some steps are there. Those steps will never be tested in the paper. What are the steps of drawing abnormal profit diagram? Like that they won't ask. Draw the abnormal profit like that they can ask. If I tell you the steps, you can follow the same steps for all three. Normal profit, abnormal profit, loss. Anything they ask, the same steps you can follow. So just roughly note the steps. Okay, note the steps roughly. So just note the steps down. Okay. So first step, very simple. First step, demand, AR, and MR curves. First, you have to draw these three together. Demand curve, AR curve, and MR curve. We are going to discuss this. Demand curve, AR curve, MR curve. Then you want to draw ATC curve. First you draw demand, AR, and MR. Then you have to draw what? ATC curve. Third, you want to draw MC curve, marginal cost curve. First, demand curve, AR curve, and MR curve. Second, you have to draw ATC curve. Third, you have to draw MC curve. Fourth, MR equals MC point you want to find. You want to find the MR equals MC point. These are the 4 steps of drawing any diagram related to perfect competition, sorry, the normal profit, abnormal profit, and loss in the marginal average. This will never be tested in the paper, but you must know these steps in drawing the diagram. In the steps and teachers guideline. So some people, they struggle in drawing, which is to be drawn first, which is last. Here and there, they are drawing and coming. So then some people, they think that these are difficult topics. Difficult. Some people thinking that this is difficult, they are leaving from the sessions. Very sad situations, right? These are very easy. I'm teaching you all the easiest ways. So I'm teaching you all, inshallah, to get A pass in the subject of economics. So that confidence I have, and I hope you all have the same confidence. Okay, so please try your level best. In the same way I instruct you all, if you work, definitely the results will come. So listen very much carefully. Demand, AR, and MR curves. You have to go first, then draw the ATC, then draw the MC. After that, draw the MR equals MC. After that, you decide MR equals MC. All right. Okay. Now we will go to the drawing. Right. Now, rather than drawing 3 diagrams one by one, we will draw all 3 diagrams parallel. Together we'll do. அப்பதான் உங்களுக்கு என்ன இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் சொல்லிட்டு ஈஸியா வரும். So we'll start now. You can start like this. First of all, draw the scales. For the abnormal profit also draw like this. Then for loss also draw like this first. So we can broadly say price and quantity, but revenue, cost, those things also we can mention there, but you can say just the price and quantity. And I'm sure they order the drop on, right? Right. Now all of you start this and finish quickly. Right. Now, what is the first step of drawing the diagram? The first step, as I have given earlier, demand, AR, MR. These three we should draw. We already understood in perfectly comparative firm. In perfectly comparative firm, demand curve, AR curve, MR curve. Demand curve, AR curve, MR curve. These three are same. Demand curve, MR curve, AR curve. These three are same. So first we will draw demand, AR and MR. You know, demand curve, AR curve, MR curve. This is demand, AR as well as MR. So for abnormal profit also, demand, AR, MR. Then for loss also, demand, AR, MR. Okay, now draw this. All of you draw this. So first step, demand, AR and MR. Second step is what? ATC. You know the shape of the ATC curve is U. We studied that. ATC curve, U shape. Normal profit, revenue and cost are equal. Normal profit, revenue and cost are equal. So when I draw the ATC, I must draw it at the AR. Normal profit revenue and cost are equal. During the normal profit, revenue and cost are equal. When I draw the ATC curve, I should draw it at the AR curve. Now, AR curve mela draw pannuvom mela keela draw pannuvom mela. Because why? Normal profit la vande AR and ATC are equal. So how I want to draw the ATC curve like this. This is the ATC. For this point, understood? The NSNG grant ATC curve on the AR curve lay draw panni. Because why? ATC and AR are equal during the normal profit. Now let's come to the abnormal profit. Abnormal profit in the sense revenue is higher than the cost. Normal profit when the revenue is equal to cost, so AR and ATC curve, and in one point we have gone. And abnormal profit when the revenue is higher than the cost. Since revenue is higher than the cost, I should draw the ATC curve below the AR. This is the ATC. Okay. ATC curve properly draw. This is ATC. Okay. Sure. Now, loss. During the loss, revenue is less than the cost. During the loss, revenue is less than the cost. So that I should draw the ATC curve above the AR curve. Now, anybody having doubts in this? ATC curve draw on the positions later doubt in the cake. Please ask whatever the doubts here, please. Again, ATC curve must be drawn after drawing demand AR and MR. ATC curve when you draw, I must be so careful about the position. ATC and AR are equal in the normal profit. Adanala AR curve lane and ATC curve draw pandran. ATC is less than AR in the abnormal profit, so I am drawing ATC curve below the AR curve. ATC is higher than the AR during the loss, so I have drawn the ATC curve above the AR curve. All right. Now, the next step is MC curve. MC curve shape formula. This is how the MC curve comes. Okay. MC curve will be drawn by cutting the minimum point of ATC. And MC curve every draw pannom ATC the minimum cut panittu pogum. Right. So we'll draw the MC curve. So see, this is the lowest of ATC. So I should draw the MC now. See this? This is MC. Okay. It cuts the ATC here. Draw the MC there. Then this is the lowest of ATC in the abnormal profit. So this is MC. MC. Here the lowest of ATC is this. So then I should draw the MC like this. Right. Now we have drawn the MC curve also. So demand AR, MR drawn, ATC drawn, MC drawn. Now the last point, MR equals MC point we have to verify. First diagram we are going to verify the MR equals MC. Now see this. This is MR, this is MC. So MR equals MC point is here. So then this is the quantity without. Okay. In the abnormal profit diagram, this is MR. So MC curve cuts the MR here. So here MR equals MC. So this is the quantity. So in the loss diagram, let's see where is MR equals MC. Here MR equals MC. So we have decided the quantity in all three situations. Now, normal profit diagram is finished. Abnormal profit diagram. Now see this quantity. For this quantity, there is a price. With the price. In the price with the quantity, the price is a cost on it. So see, wherever this red line cuts this ATC, the red line on the ATC cut you have to go here. This is value. Example, for this a value will be given, for this also a value will be given. So this portion, this area is the abnormal profit. This is the abnormal profit. Okay, this portion is the abnormal profit. All right. Then see the loss, the abnormal profit. Let's say, for example, this is 40, this is 100. In the 40, this price. In the 40, this is cost. So let's say this is 30. Then what's the TR? TR price into quantity. What's the price? 40. Quantity is 100. So how much? 4,000. TC, ATC into Q. No. So what is ATC? Then ATC. 30. So 30 into 100, 3,000. So 4,000 minus 3,000 is the abnormal profit. That is 1,000. This area shows the 1,000. No need to write this. Don't write this. This is just I explain. Okay. Then in the loss diagram, for this price, there is a quantity. This is the price or the AR. For this, there should be a cost. The ATC is above now. So you want to continue this straight line. To continue this straight line, it cuts the ATC curve here. Then come to this. This line cuts the ATC curve here. So then it has to be drawn like this. So this portion is the loss. This is the loss. All right. So normal profit, abnormal profit, and loss in the marginal approach we have discussed. Anybody having doubts in this? Here also see, for example, this is 20, this is 27. Then what's the TR? Price into quantity. Let's say this is 100. Price into quantity. Price is 20. Quantity 100. That is 2000. Then TC, ATC into Q. Is it a ATC in our? The cool ATC than 27. The quantity cool ATC than 27. So 27 into 100, 2700. So profit will be TR minus TC. No, 2000 minus 2700 is minus 700. That means loss is 700. 2010 paper we got loss related question. Okay, now we will do many questions like this. Just I told you the things about this. If anybody having doubt in this, please tell me. I can explain this a little bit. Right. Now I will just tell you how the exam questions come on this. Okay. In this topic, how the exam questions come. And after telling this roughly, I will show you some past papers, right? Then you will get certain idea about this. Exam questions, don't draw this, just watch. Then I will just demonstrate this. After that, we'll go to a past paper question, right? The exam, the price, revenue or something they will mention here, quantity. For example, like this, 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay. Then see, this is demand, AR, MR, demand, AR, MR, demand, AR, MR, demand, AR, MR. Nothing to draw, just watch this. Then I'm drawing the ATC curve. So this is my ATC curve. And in the exam, in addition to the ATC now, for the calculations, ATC only needed. Anyway, in addition to the ATC, they give the AVC also. So this is the ATC, then AVC curve also given. AVC also U-shape, you know, we have studied before. So AVC curve is given. Then MC will cut both the minimum of ATC and AVC. Both the minimum of ATC and AVC will be cut by the MC curve. So it will be like this, something like this. Okay, so listen carefully. So this is a value, this is a value. And here also another value will be given. Okay. So here number, here another number. can be given, right? Let's see, this is 32, this is 22, this is 1000, 2000, 1700, right? Like this, a graph will be given. Then see, then let's see your first question. Your first question, don't write this, huh? Don't write this. Your first question. At which price? At which price? Normal profit will be made. Okay. But normal profit, you all know, revenue should be equal to cost. AR should be equal to ATC. So let's see the prices here. 10 rupees, no. 20 rupees, no. 22, no. 30. Now see, at 30 rupees, this is the MR, AR, everything, and ATC also drawn here. Understood? At 30 rupees, what happens? See this? 30 rupees la vandu. Demand AR, MR is going, ATC also drawn here. So at which price the normal profit will be made? At 30 rupees. At 30 rupees. Let's see. Second question. At the price of 20, can there be a profit? At the price of 20, can there be a profit? But you 20 po. So 20 is here. So 20 na ARMR those. Where is the ATC? Now, or profit on varanda, AR must be above the ATC, no? In the 20 in where is the ATC? ATC is above. The cost one the revenue would have kudanda. What's that? It's a loss. So can't. No. At the price of 20, can there be a profit? No, impossible. Because why? Revenue is less than cost. Because why? Revenue is less than cost. Then see the third question. At the price of 40, calculate the profit. At the price of 40, calculate the profit. So 40 rupees is more. At 40 rupees, you see, this is 40 rupees. Demand AR, MR. It cuts the MC, MR equals MC point here. So, if they give a price, for that price, you have a quantity. For example, for 20 rupees in the quantity on the 1000. 30 rupees means its quantity is 1700 because MR equals MC point than quantity. 40 rupees means its quantity is what? 2000. Profit, how to calculate? First, you must calculate TR, price into quantity. So what's the price? 40. What's the quantity? Is it a quantity only per 2000? So TR is how much now? 80,000 rupees. Then you want to find the TC. TC is equal to ATC into Q. The Q in same 2000. The 2000 equal ATC, how to design? See this MR equals MC point. 40 rupees. So MR equals MC point. Already drawn line is there. The line in the ATC cut. This line cuts the ATC here. Understood? This line cuts the ATC here. So how much is that? 32. 32 into same 2000. Some people deciding ATC and putting another quantity. Or quantity. When I say, for example, I am selling 2000 units. For that, price is 40, and for the same 2000, there will be ATC. So then 64,000. TC 64,000. Therefore, profit how much? 80,000 minus 64,000. So that is 16,000 rupees. 16,000 rupees is the profit. Those who didn't understand this profit calculation can tell me. Okay. So then here, see, this is the one profit. Then how much is the, this is okay, 20 rupees the TR geta, 20 into 1000. 30 rupees the TR geta, 30 into 1700. But 20 rupees the TR okay, 20 rupees the TC how to find? In the quantity kula TC how to find? Go up. The line cut pannum ATC inga. That into 1000. At this point, they may ask how much is the fixed cost. Detail I discuss fixed cost in the ATC minus AVC is AFC. How much is the AFC here? See this ATC Tandi. How much is ATC? 32. AVC also given here 22. ATC minus AVC, this cap is what? AFC. If AFC is 10, then TFC how much? 10 into 2000, 20,000. Like this, another questions are there. I will just display a question now. Just see. See this, this is 2019 paper question. 2019 paper question. Right. So in 2019, the diagram below presents a perfectly competitive firm operating in the short run, producing an equilibrium output of 100 units. So here, quantity given. Quantity given. So some questions price they will give and quantity we have to verify. Some questions quantity will be given, price we have to verify. So now, see this first of all, can you see? Can you just try these parts? Just try these 4 parts quickly. See this? TR